Welcome to the session on annotations and saving plots. Annotations. In Matplotlib library, annotations refer to the capability of adding text or markers to specific locations on a plot to provide additional information or highlight particular features. Annotations allow users to label data points and indicate trends or add descriptions to different parts of a plot. Text annotations are used to add explanatory or descriptive text to specific points, regions, or features within a plot. Marker annotations involve placing markers or symbols on specific points of interest within a plot to highlight or provide additional information about those points. Callouts refer to a specific type of annotation that uses visual elements like arrows, lines, or text to draw attention to a particular area or feature within a plot. Annotation syntax. PLT is Matplotlib library alias name. PLT.annotate of text, xy, xy text is equal to none, xy coordinates is equal to data, text coordinates equal to data, arrow props is equal to none, annotation clip is equal to none, kw arguments. So this is the syntax for generating annotation. Here text is a text of the annotation. XY is point of XY to annotate, in which point you want to annotate. XY text, the position of XY to place a text. If none, defaults to XY. XY coordinates, the coordinate system that XY is given in. Default is data. Text coordinates, the coordinate system that XY text is given in. The default value is data. Arrow props, a dictionary of arrow properties. If not, none and arrow is drawn from the annotation to the text. Annotation clip. If true, the text will only be drawn when the annotation point is within the axis. If none, it will take the value from RC params. KW args. It's additional keyword arguments that are passed to text. So these are all a syntax parameters of annotation. This first example, this is used to do simple text annotation. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. So this is a way how to import matplotlib. PLT is a alias name for this matplotlib.pyplot. X is equal to a list of values from 1 to 5. Y is equal to from list of values from 2 to 10. So we can create plot by using this line. PLT dot plot is a function. We need to pass x value and y value, comma marker equal to O. By using this function, the plot will be displayed. And annotation can be done using this line. PLT dot annotate of, within single quotes, we need to pass some text. And xy is equal to 4, 8. XY text is equal to 2.5, 9. Font size is equal to 12. Color equal to red. PLT dot show function. This function is used to display the plot. So whatever we are passing inside the single quotes, that will be displayed as text annotation. And xy is equal to 4, 8. So annotation starts in this place 4, 8. The text annotation is started from 2.5, 9. So from 2.5 here and 9 is here. So from 2.5 to 9, the text is displaying. And font size is 12 and color of the font is red. So this is the output for this program. Annotation with arrow. So here we have created x, y. We have called the function plot, x, y, marker equal to O, line style equal to dash, color equal to blue. So this line will create this plot with the xy value. Here marker is this dot is marker, and live style is line, and color of this line is blue. And using annotate function, we have created the annotate peak in xy is equal to 3 comma 5, xy text is equal to 3.6 comma 3.5 comma 6. Arrow props is equal to dict of, face color equal to black, arrow style is equal to arrow, font size is equal to 10. So here a peak is a text and this xy starts from 3 comma 5. So this arrow start from 3 to 5 and text is starting from 3.5 to 6. So text start in this place to 3.5 comma 6 and arrow props is face color equal to black. So this arrow mark color is black and style is arrow and font size is 10. And we are giving x label as x-axis. This is x-axis, name of the x-axis, and this is name of the y-axis. So to display this name, we need to use x label and y label. And plt.title function, which is used to give the title for this plot. A title we need to pass inside the quotes, annotated plot. And plt.grid of true. So this grid line will be displayed if you are using grid as true, and plt.show will display this plot as output. Annotation with different row style. So we have created xy, created the plot with marker equal to O, and annotate name is fancy arrow. Fancy arrow is arrow props is equal to arrow style. This is a style and color is purple. And the another annotation we have created for bar arrow with this parameters, and style is this one and color is orange. In this output, color it is not showing as purple and orange, but the output will be this arrow is in purple color and this arrow should be orange color. So we have used different arrow styles. Annotation with bounding box around the text. So we have created xy, created the plot, and in annotation the text is with bounding box, and here bounding box b box equal to box style is round, pad is equal to 0.5 and edge color is black, and arrow pops is equal to face color equal to blue, comma face color equal to yellow, and arrow style is equal to arrow. So with this parameters, this bounding box with the text is created. Saving plots. Saving figures in Matplotlib library allows us to export our plots to various file formats such as PNG, PDP, PDF, SVG, and so on, to use those saved plots in various reports, presentations, or publications. Matplotlib library provides a savefig function to save the plot that we have created. So these are all the different formats: PNG, JPEG, PDF, and SVG. This is syntax for saving the plots. plt.savefig is a function, and these are all the parameters: fname, DPI, bbox inches, pad inches, format, KW, ARGS. So these are the arguments for this function savefig. This is example. We have created x, y, created the plot using plot function, x label, y label to display x-axis name and y-axis name, title, this is the title of the plot, and this is a function to save this plot, plt.savefig, and the path you need to give, and also the plot name with the extension plot name.png. So this plot will be saving in this directory with the name of line plot, and the format is PNG. Thank you.